Hello guys, another video from my car as every Friday on this channel. Not that much about Laravel, but about career in general. And today I want to share kind of a thought that was born during Laracon EU when talking about how junior people could land jobs. Because I've been asked this question quite a lot. So juniors ask me how to get a job, how to write the CV, how to present yourself, and basically I ask the same questions to the company owners, so people who are hiring. I asked, so in 2024, in this reality, with this kind of recession and world of layouts, how do you hire? Do you hire at all? And then how do you pick people, especially in the junior level? And the answer was basically the same by all those people. We do have junior positions. We do have online ads on some job board or on our website. But the problem is that we get bombarded with CVs and we don't even read those CVs for the most part. Because the ratio of people, junior people wanting to get hired is like 50-1 or 100-1 or even more. So what they do actually is they pay attention to most active people from that pile. So those who just send general CV, those don't even get read most often, unfortunately. Or maybe fortunately, because those who do stand out, they have a chance to get hired. So how do you stand out? Basically, you make a research about that specific company. You don't send a general CV, the same one that you had sent to another company just an hour ago. No, you send a CV kind of like a motivational letter to that specific company. What do you want to work on at that company? How you can help them? Maybe even pinpoint something on their website, or what do you know about that company that you exactly would want to improve, and how you get active with their project. Basically, every CV, it's not even CV, every letter, every email, it has to be personal, directed at that company, or even better, directed at specific person that you know from that company. So DM on Twitter to specific person from specific company works much better, or LinkedIn message or email or whatever. Of course, that said, there's a spam alert. You don't have to be spammy, so there's a risk to get into the pile of spam. But then your social presence also matters. Did you get acquainted with that person beforehand? That's where conferences pay off, so your participation at Laracon EU or somewhere would get you noticed. Any open source work that you would get noticed for. That increases your chance of your email or your direct message being read in the first place, and then that social currency may pay off. So yeah, this is the idea, kind of short video, a message. If you want to land a job as a junior or intern, pitch specifically one company or a few companies that you pick. Make your research, homework, find out about their projects, about their people, about their culture, how they work, and pitch that you want to help with their specific problem and how you may be useful. I hope it would help at least a few of you get junior or intern positions. That's it for this time, and see you guys in other videos.